In the name of Allah, who is the first, the last, and I bear witness that Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, the last messenger of Allah Almighty. Honorable Chairman, respected principals, teachers, and dear audience, Assalamu alaikum. I, Abdul Raffi from class 6, stand here in front of you to deliver a speech on a very important topic. Hard work is the key to success. If you want to shine like a sun, first burn like a sun. Dear audience, as we all know that life is full of twists and charms. Everyone has strived here to get success. Hard work is obligatory for success. Dear audience, hard work beats talent and talent doesn't work hard. Talent is cheaper than table salt. What separates talented individual from a successful one is hard work. Dear audience, as you know that everyone wants to be successful overnight. But does it happen that way? Not really, because there is no shortcut to success. Let's not forget a saying that Rome was not built in one day. Dear audience, you can't achieve anything without working hard. If you want to well in studies, you have to work hard. And if you wish to be an athlete, you must run faster. And if you want to be remembered as the best student, you must put in more efforts. Dear audience, hard work makes impossibilities possible. Life is full of chaos. It's a battle. But Allah Almighty has granted us with genius brain and strong lives that are meant to be utilized. Dear audience, there are no secret to success. It is a result of preparation, learning from failure, and hard work. Dear audience, there is a well-known proverb: no pain, no gain. Dear audience, the word rest doesn't exist in the dictionary of hard worker because they know very well that success cannot give a silver plate. If you want to fulfill ambition, work hard and do not be afraid of failure. Fear is nothing but an opportunity for you to try again. Maybe a bit harder this time. And you must make full use of our talent. And remember that success can only be achieved by hard work. Thank you.